The fourth alternative we're going to talk about, the last of the four, and we call this one the raised median with left turn alternative. So what we have here is the same overall width of the new corridor, which would be 91 feet. That's the same as alternative 3. What this one has that's different, though, is up and down the entire corridor there is a raised median. So this stops any of the traffic up and down the corridor from making some left turns along the way. So we don't want these vehicles here sitting in this lane waiting to take a left, because then that stops this vehicle's lane of travel. So up and down the corridor we have a raised median, and then what that will do is these will get smaller as we approach an intersection, and they will be used to make left turn bays at all of our intersections. Okay, this is our aerial view of alternative 4, and starting again at Green Bay Street all the way down to Ward Avenue, what we have is this raised median throughout the project. So that stops any vehicles from taking lefts along the way, and then it also guides traffic into these left turn bays at the intersections along the way. Some of these intersections on this alternative show signals, some intersections do not. This particular intersection at West Avenue meets what we call signal warrants. So an intersection has to have so much traffic, so many turning vehicles and whatnot in order to qualify for signals. Some of these intersections don't have the same volumes of traffic, and so we don't show signals here. However, the configuration of the intersection is very similar. Again, as we proceed easterly through the project, the raised median is throughout. At this particular intersection, there's no signals shown here. Heading down, there's an intersection at 15th, 17th, and down here at Ward Avenue, that shows a signal. That particular intersection does meet the signal warrants. So Ward Avenue would either have, in the final design, either a signalized intersection or a roundabout. Those decisions are yet to be made. And again, as with all of our alternatives, the width of the corridor is yet to be determined, and so then again, the impacts up and down the corridor are yet to be determined also.